Hi children, today we are going to learn international system in numbers. Then how to read in international system up to 9 digits. See, in international system what are the place values? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion. Here up to 10 digits I will teach now. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, billion. Now how to divide the number as per commas? Here in these 4 periods, what are those? Ones, tens, hundreds comes under ones period. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 comes under thousands period. Million, 10 million, 100 millions comes under million period. Billion, billions period. Now here also in Indian system also we have 4 periods, in international system also in your class up to 4 periods. What are those? Ones period, thousands period, millions period, billions period. Now how to write given number? Suppose this is one number. How to write in international system? First we have to write each digit place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion. Here where we have to put comma? First we have to take ones period. Ones period comes under ones, tens, hundreds. Then after we have to put the comma. Then next thousands period. 7, 6, 5 means 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 comes under thousands period. Next million, 10 million, 100 million we have to take as a millions period. Now 7 in billion, then it is a billions period. Now ones, tens, 100 ones period. 5, 6, 7 thousands period. Then 3, 4, 6 millions period. Then 7 billion period. Now how many periods are there? Ones period, thousands period, million period and billion period. Now when you will go for Indian system, we will take only 2 places except ones period. The other periods we have taken 2 periods, but 2 places. But in international system we have to take every period as a 3 digits. Now ones, tens, hundreds ones place, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 thousands period, million, 10 million, 100 millions, millions period, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion comes under billion period. Now up to 10 digits you have in this class. Now in Indian system we have to read together 2 places, but in international system we have to read 3 places together. Now ones period 321, 567,000, 346 million, 7 billion. How to read now? 7 billion, 346 million, 567,321. How to read? 7 billion, 346 million, 567,321. Suppose I will give one more example for you. Now we have to write in the international system. Then first we have to write place values. Ones, tens, hundreds come. Then 2, 4, 3 comes under ones period. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 comes under thousands period. Million, 10 million, 100 million comes under millions period. Then 1 is under billions. Now how many periods we got? 1, 2, 3, 4 periods. Then we have to read three places as one period. Now 243 comes under ones period, 703 comes under thousands period, 276 comes under millions period, 1 comes under billion. Now how to write? 1 billion 276 million 703 thousand 243. How to write? 1 billion 276 million 703,243. How to write in number? Means they will give number name, you have to write the in number. Suppose 7 million 2. 7 million 2. How to write in number? Means first we have to write place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million. Up to million only. 7 million. Then we can write up to millions. Now 7 million, millions place 7 and 2 in ones place 2. Then remaining all we have to put zeros. Now 7 million 2. Next, how to write place values? Suppose now what is the place value of 4? What is the place value of 4? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, comma, 10,000s, 100,000s, comma, million, 10 million, 100 millions. Then the place value of 4 is millions. 4 is in millions place. Place value of 4 is 4 millions. Now place value of 4. 4 is in millions place. Place value of 4 is 4 millions. Here place value and which place it is in which place and what is the value of that digit also we have to write. Now 4 is in which place? Millions place. Then you have to write what is the value of 4? Then 4 millions. Now here I explained now how to write in words, how to write in figures, how to write each digit place value. Now for writing any international system or Indian system, you need first place values. That you have to remember that what are the place values in international system? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000s, million, 10 million, 100 millions, billion. Now in Indian system, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores, 100 crores. Now what is the relation between two systems? International system and Indian system. Now 1 lakh is equal to 100,000s. 1 lakh is equal to 100,000s. 10 lakhs, 1 million. 10 lakhs, 1 million. Then 1 crore, 10 millions. 10 crores, 100 millions, 100 crores, 1 billion. Now, they will ask in the fill in the blanks. How many lakhs make million? How many lakhs, how many crores make million? How many crores make billion? How many lakhs make thousands? how many thousands make 1 lakh, how many millions make 1 crore, like that they will ask in the fill in the blanks. Now 1 lakh 100,000, 10 lakhs 1 million, 1 crore 10 millions, 10 crores 100 millions, 10 crores 100 crores 1 billion. Now this is the comparison of two systems. What are those? International and Indian system.